everyone, welcome back to the Ocean Worldwide Real Estate Podcast. I'm Alice.
And I'm Daniel. Today, we're discussing a crucial topic for villa buyers: how to speed up the legal paperwork and get quick approvals.
That's right, Daniel. Buying a villa is an exciting journey, but paperwork can slow things down. Today, we'll share tips on streamlining the process and avoiding delays.
So, Alice, where should buyers start?
First, it's essential to understand the property transaction process. Knowing the steps from offer to completion can help you avoid surprises and keep things moving smoothly.
And a big part of that is having the right team in place, right?
Absolutely. Hire your conveyancing solicitor and any other professionals, like mortgage advisors, as early as possible. They'll handle all the legal details, ensuring no issues with the property that could cause delays.
Securing finances early also seems crucial. What's the best approach here?
You nailed it, Daniel. Getting mortgage pre-approval before you start can save a lot of time. It shows sellers you're serious and ready to move forward quickly.
I imagine communication plays a big role in avoiding delays too. How can buyers stay on top of things?
Clear, regular communication is key. Keep in touch with your solicitor and estate agent through weekly updates. Make sure all your paperwork is submitted on time and keep your contact details updated.
Speaking of paperwork, are there tools that can make this process easier?
Definitely. Digital tools are game changers. Use cloud storage to keep documents organized and accessible, and opt for electronic signatures when possible. This speeds up the exchange of information and keeps everything in one place.
That's great advice. What about the conveyancing stage? How can buyers keep that on track?
Quick action is crucial. Arrange your property surveys early and let your surveyor know about any specific concerns. Initiate all necessary searches, like local authority or environmental checks, as soon as possible.
Sounds like being proactive and organized really pays off. Any tips for managing potential delays?
Keep a checklist of all required documents and deadlines. This helps you stay organized and ensures nothing gets overlooked. Regularly review all documents and discuss any issues with your solicitor right away.
And for buyers facing unique property types, like leaseholds or new builds, what should they keep in mind?
Different properties have different requirements. For leaseholds, get the management information pack early. For new builds, ensure all completion certificates are provided. Identifying and addressing any potential issues early can save you a lot of headaches later on.
To wrap things up, Alice, what's the biggest takeaway for our listeners?
Early preparation and efficient communication are your best friends. Hire your team early, secure your finances, stay on top of communication, and use digital tools to streamline the process.
Thanks, Alice. For anyone looking to buy a villa in Thailand, taking these steps can help make your dream home a reality faster.
Exactly, Daniel. If you're ready to take the next step, check out the properties available on our website or get in touch with us directly.
Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe to the Ocean Worldwide Real Estate Podcast for more tips and updates on the property market in Phuket.
See you next time.